Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Gosia Art Home Cooking. Today I like to show you a very nice soup, a very popular soup in Poland and favorite soup of our Polish king Wladyslaw Jagiello. This soup called Flaki po Warszawsku. It's a tripe soup, it's very meaty soup, very spicy soup and I hope you enjoy. For my soup I will use beef, honeycomb, tripe. The beef tripe are pre-washed, so I will cook for about 2 hours. I will cook pork about 2 hours. I will also cook beef. I will use chuck pot roast. It will be very good for my soup. I will add beef. I cook tripes for 1.5 hours and pretty soft. Next part, I don't need is water from the tripes. Just drain. The beef tripe are cooled down. Now I'll cut in small pieces. This is the way I usually cut. I need a long stripe. The tripe cut and the beef and pork is pretty soft. Now I'll drain. Of course I will keep the broth I need for my soup. Next part, I cut the tripes. Now adding to my broth. So next part will be meat and vegetables. Okay, next part I will cut the meat. Like the beef is pretty soft, it's very easy to cut. I will cut in a bite size. The meat is cut. Now we'll add this meat to my broth. I add tripe already and now is next step is the meat and the last one will be vegetables. I have equal amount of tripes and equal amount of meat. Be very nice and meaty soup. For my soup I need leek, will be half a cup, celery, 2 carrots and half an onion. Now I have to slice everything. Carrot, celery and leeks. Let's go cook. Just for a few minutes and soup. I'll put all the spices and the soup will be ready. Last part before I put all spices, I have to saute onion. I have half an onion, 1 tablespoon of butter, onion. And next part, 2 tablespoons of flour to thicken soup. Very nice. Now I'm doing a little bit soup. And I can add everything to my soup. And it will be the final process. Perfect. Next part, I'm adding spices. 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Green parsley. Spanish paprika, I put a lot. I like nice and the color I'm looking for. Marjoram, lots of marjoram. Salt. And just try each time when you add more spices. It's good to try. Oh, it's beautiful already. It's nice. very important nutmeg. This is the special flavor. Try the soup. More salt. Because I didn't put any salt to meat. Now I have to add all the ingredients I need to make the perfect taste. I can put a little bit more red pepper. Paprika. A little bit more spicy. I like spicy. Just a little tiny bit. And I think so a little bit more nutmeg. I like this nutmeg taste. Oh, excellent. It's a very nice soup, and I'm sure when you try, you will enjoy. This is a perfect soup for the meat lovers. When you love meat, this is your perfect soup. Perfect. The soup is done. The soup is done. If you like this video, make sure give me thumb up. Please like, share, comment and subscribe for more recipe. I wanna say thank you for watching. Dziękuję bardzo, smacznego and see you soon.